When you see and you're cutting fish, this is about a 5/8 inch cut, and you see the sheen, there's a slight satin. That's when you know it's cooked to perfection. So we're gonna put a little vegetable oil. I think one of the things that everybody always says, put oil. Well, nobody knows what the hell kind of oil to put. Does that mean olive oil? Does that mean vegetable oil? What does that mean? You put olive oil, it's gonna burn. You put vegetable oil, it's got a higher burn content and it won't burn. You wanna start out bringing it up slow, is I like to put a little bit of butter in with this, which is gonna kind of not burn. We don't want it to brown yet, but with fish, so you're not burning. Got a beautiful color if you see the crest of that. And all the while, I have my oven on, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna pan sear this for about 4 minutes. So I'm going up with it. And what you're getting is a lot of the bubbles, and that's what we're looking for. We can probably bump it a hair, and then what I'll do is I'll flip it. This is a fish spatula. Why is it a fish spatula? Because if you use a regular spatula, it's gonna get in and tear your fish. This allows the fish to breathe while you're about to flip it. So all the while I have my oven on at 350, ready. So you can time it if you want, but you can also watch your fish, depending on the thickness, cook and flip it in 4 minutes. These are thinner fillets. You really, maybe 3 minutes, but a thicker 3/4 inch sea bass, all of it's kind of cooked the same. And what you don't want to do is overcook fish. Now, when you go to scoop it out, if it doesn't stick, it's ready to turn. If it sticks, don't fuck with it. See? Now it's a little thicker. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this fire off. I'm gonna pull it, let it kind of do its thing for a moment. And now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go into the oven, and I am gonna go ahead and leave this on for about 5 minutes at 350. Once I pull it out, I will let it set. I'm using a large skillet, which is a hardened steel. If you use a non-stick, you're not gonna get the sear that you want. It's gonna stick, believe it or not, to non-stick, and what you'll get is a much better flavor through the steel as it's cooking through. So I'm ready to go ahead and pull this out, because the fish is thin. Got a little dimple to it, which is sweet. So now I'm going to just let this go. I'm going to add little pads of butter in and around, and then I'm going to squeeze some lemon. And as that comes around, you'll see the sauce start to form. And the fish, you see it's not sticking.